Hello, Volkswagen bus lovers. Restoring a 1971 Volkswagen, German made. Today, I'm working in the back, sanding, and had a bunch of adhesive tape here in between the slats here. So I got that all out. And what I did is I got a wire brush for my drill. And I was able to take all that adhesive out of here. And now what I'm doing is using a sander to sand, to get it all roughed up so that I can shoot a primer coat on it. And pretty much got it almost done. Just gotta get it all cleaned up here. And here was a big challenge. A bunch of tape was stuck in here, a bunch of adhesive tape. But I've got it out pretty good, so I'm gonna get this out nice and clean in here also, and then spray a coat of primer. So this will be my first day of tackling my bus. As far as me doing the work, I've already put some brand new headers on it and a brand new muffler, of course, with the headers. But as you can see, I got the bumper off also. It's got a couple dents in it. I need to get that fixed. And I got a dent right here that I need to get repaired. But anyways, just want to show everyone what I'm doing. And here's the side view. It's not the original color. It's blue metallic. The original color is white top and green bottom here, but seats are missing. In the front, same thing, lots of sanding. Well, right now you can't really see, it's too dark, but I also got a new gas pedal put in here. And what else? I think that's all I did. I wish there was more light. Actually, you know what? Let me open up the garage. Now you can see it better. Here's the front. Lots and lots of work. Pretty much straight, just a lot of dings on the side. Inside of here, there's, you know, you can't see, there is a couple holes right here that I'll have to take care of that. And then there's the new gas pedal that I was telling you that I had put in. But other than that, just rust in here. It needs to be sanded and primed. And anyways, like I said, this came out really nice. We'll get this primed up in just a little bit here. Tape off everything and put a primer coat on it. Now you can see better inside here. The panels are all got to be replaced. And of course the top is in bad shape here. But I'll get those panels off after I get this started up here on top. And down here is a pretty mess, but there's no rust in here. Just a lot of sanding and priming. But I'll add some more video once I make some progress here. Try to create some kind of channel for my 71 bus. Brand new headers. Lovely. Alright, thanks for watching.